Hello, everyone. Welcome to Heart Alchemy Yoga on YouTube. I'm Michelle Goldstein, and today I'm going to lead you through a yoga quickie. This is a great practice for those days that you just don't have a lot of time for yoga, but you want something. I don't blame you. I love that feeling of working it out, even if it's just for 10 or 15 minutes. So let's get started. I've got Maggie Grove demoing for us today. So let's start out in child's pose. Bring your mind to your breath. And begin to move your breath through your body. Good. And then come up to hands and knees. Couple of cat-cows. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round. Good. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round. One more time. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Good. Inhale, neutral. Exhale, downward dog. Good. Breathing deeply. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's lift the right leg, please. Inhale. Exhale, step through to warrior two. Spin the back heel flat and we'll move right in. Feel the right side of the pelvis lift a little. Shoulders soft, elbows soft. Good. Now from here, let's spin the left heel in, left toes out, so you're in temple pose. Bend the knees. Lift the front of the pelvis. And stay like this, but reach the arms up. Inhale. Palms at the heart. Exhale. Arms reach up. Inhale. Palms meet at the heart. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, reach the arms. Exhale, palms together. Straighten the legs, please. And let's turn the right foot in. Left foot turns out. Bend the left knee, warrior two. Good. Reverse warrior inhale. And side angle. Let's take side angle pose. Make sure you turn your back toes in. And set it up however feels good to you. So it's very early in a practice. Normally we'd be warming up still for another 10 minutes. But because we're diving in, maybe you back off a little bit physically in the poses to give your body time to warm up. Beautiful. Right hand down. Come up on the back toes. Reach the left arm up to the sky for a twist. Breathe. Lift up out of the right shoulder. Lift up out of the right side body. Good. Left hand down, downward facing dog. Good. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Beautiful. Left leg lifts, inhale. Exhale, step through, warrior two. Breathe. Feel the shoulders soften. I don't know about you, but I could have somebody just come around and remind me that like every 10 minutes or so, right? Like, okay, get space around the neck. You can even soften the jaw. If it feels good, you could lift the corners of your mouth. Good. Spin the right toes out, right heel in, so you're in temple pose again. And this time take the hands to the hips. Straighten the legs. Turn your toes in, heels out. Fold forward into Prasarita, Padottanasana. You can release the hands around your ankles or to the floor. Hook the big toes, lots of variations. Move the shoulders away from the ears. Beautiful. Hands to hips. Quads flex, rise up to stand. Turn the right foot out, bend the right knee, warrior two. Good. Reverse warrior inhale. Side angle as you exhale. Breathe, breathe. Good. Left hand down. Come up on the back toes. Reach the right arm up for a twist. So nice. One more breath. Right hand down. Step back, down dog. Beautiful. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower all the way down. Bend your knees, catch your feet. Spread the toes, lift the chest. Keep the back of your neck long. And feel the shoulder blades move together and press into the back of your heart. One more big inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Okay. Plant the palms. Press to cobra. Inhale. There you go. Down dog. Exhale. Good. Set your knees down. Cross the ankles behind you. Sit back on your bottom. Stretch the right leg straight, please. Bend the left knee out to the side. Janu Shirshasana. Reach the arms up and fold in. If you can't reach your right foot, use a strap or a towel, something. And drop into the moment. these precious moments of deep breath in the body. Beautiful. Come up and switch sides. Lengthen and fold. Smooth out the breathing. Beautiful. Roll yourself up and sit down on your bottom. Take a comfortable seat. Reach the arms up. Take a quick twist to the right. Good. Back to center. Twist to the other side. Beautiful. Back to center. Both arms reach up. Palms connect in front of the heart. Close your eyes. And take one last moment to savor your practice. May it be a light that shines the way today. Thank you. Thank you so much, you guys, for practicing with me today. I'm Michelle Goldstein, and you're at Heart Alchemy Yoga on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to Heart Alchemy if you haven't already, and sign up for our email list to stay in the loop of all of our future offerings. We're picking one lucky new email subscriber every month to win a Heart Alchemy Yoga t-shirt. Sign up, enter the drawing. Check out Maggie's classes as well. She's an amazing teacher. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Lots of love. See you soon.